Hello everyone, my name is Tam. I'm the owner of Surfing Lizard. Today I got a student.
Hello, I'm Vicky.
Her name is Vicky and she has no knowledge at all about coffee. Is it right?
Yes, nothing.
And she has been here for 1.5 hours. And we see that what she can do. Okay? Here you go. She's making coffee professionally. Okay, so put the machine, press the button, and then she's gonna put 2 cups underneath. There you go. Coffee came out very nicely, I hope. Pretty good. So the clock here has to be 25 to 28 seconds to give you a perfect shot. Okay. In the meantime, she's not wasting time. She's steaming the milk. Look at her milk. Sounds good. So now, I'm not touching anything. I let her do it herself. Okay, so show you that we teach students with passion, with love. See that if she can pour something on the coffee. Yeah, she's studying. Let's do it. Show everyone. That is very nice hat. Look at this. Okay, one more time. Come on, do.
Small one.
Still not bad, but look at this. Been here for 1.5 hours and able to do the milk perfectly, and a little bit of latte art. What do you think?
It's very good. Very good.
Very
experience.
good. Experience?
Wonderful.
Worth the time to spend here?
Yeah. And
Well done. Okay. Alright, it's the end of the video and thank you for watching. Bye.